If you want to build the perfect desk setup for your everyday work, you need to think about a lot of topics, and one of the most important topics is of course audio. And today I want to share how I've been able to unleash my creativity with my home office audio setup. And yes, as someone who works in a creative field, having the right audio equipment is really important. So that's why I want to share the products that I use all the time and how they've helped me to achieve my goals. The first product that I want to talk about is the Focusrite Scarlett audio interface. And this one here is actually an older version of the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. This piece of equipment is the backbone of my audio setup. For me, it's really important to not waste too much space on my desk, and that's why the Scarlett is absolutely perfect, because it's a compact, versatile device that allows me to connect my microphones, headphones and speakers to my computer, and that makes it possible that I can record high quality sound. On top, I can easily control everything simple and fast with built-in controllers, and that makes it the perfect all-rounder for my desk setup. And yes, the Focusrite Scarlett isn't that expensive. For around $150 you can get one of them, and in this price category it is one of the best audio interfaces you can get. But now let's move on, and next up we need to talk about the Biodynamic DT770 Pro headphones. And yes, I'm someone who spends hours and hours editing videos, so that's why having a comfortable pair of headphones is really essential. The DT770 Pros are some of the most comfortable headphones that I've ever worn, and I actually used them for a couple of years now and they never let me down. The audio quality is absolutely great. For sure everyone has some different preferences, especially in this case, but if you're looking for some really good headphones for all kind of audio productions, these are the way to go. They also provide me with a flat neutral sound that is perfect for editing videos and mixing audio, so yeah, if you need a good pair of headphones for your home office desk setup, definitely check them out. But now let's move on to the next essential, and here we need to talk about the AirPods Pro. And I know what you're thinking, why should I use the AirPods Pro for productions? Well, of course the DT770s here are way better, but sometimes I really like to use them to double check the content, because a lot of people use them to listen to music or watching videos on the go. I personally got the AirPods Pro because they're actually in-ear headphones that I really like. The audio quality is great, and in combination with the noise cancelling I can use them everywhere on the go to edit videos. And yes, obviously the AirPods Pro are perfect for the Apple ecosystem as well. I have a lot of Apple devices at home, like my iPhone and my Mac Studio, and of course my old MacBook Pro. So yeah, it's super easy to connect the AirPods with all kind of devices. In my opinion, this is super helpful and makes the whole workflow way easier for me. It just works, and that's what I want. So yeah, the AirPods Pro are part of my everyday life, so I can highly recommend them. Another essential piece of equipment in my audio setup are the Yamaha HS8 Studio monitors. And yes, these speakers are perfect for video and audio productions as well. They also have a flat frequency response that allows me to hear all kind of details, and that's why I think they are a great choice in this price category. Since I started to use these speakers, I don't want to miss them anymore. The overall design and build quality is fantastic, the additional features on the backside are great to get the best possible solution for your audio setup, and the most important part, which is the sound quality, is just top notch. For around $240 each you will get a nice studio monitor that will help you to get better results, and especially if you compare the HS8 to other speakers in the same price category, there's only a small amount of speakers that might be worth it to check out. Only if you have a small room I would recommend to check out the smaller versions like the HS7 or HS5, but in all kind of other situations I can definitely say that I can highly recommend to check out the HS8. But now let's move on, and the next gadget that we need to talk about is the Rode NT2A microphone. This is my go-to microphone for recording pure voiceovers for videos. It offers a warm, clear sound that is perfect for spoken word content. It also has multiple polar patterns, which allows me to choose the best one for each situation. So yeah, if you're looking for a great microphone that makes it possible to record a variety of things in your studio, you can easily pick up the Rode NT2A. Basically, it's a versatile microphone that comes with a really nice audio quality in the $400 price range, and that's a great price for such a versatile microphone. I think especially people who like to record music, podcasts or voiceovers should check out this microphone, because I have used this microphone for a long period of time now and it never let me down. If you also need a sturdy microphone, the NT2A is also a great choice because of the complete metal body. And especially if you compare to the Rode NT2A, this microphone is the more versatile option. And on top, if you compare the pricing of both microphones, I can highly recommend to spend some more money to get the Rode NT2A instead. And finally, we need to talk about the Rode NTG4 shotgun microphone. And yes, this microphone is perfect for on-location audio recordings. It's a directional microphone that captures audio from specific directions, and this allows me to capture high quality audio while blocking out background noise. I definitely need to say that I mostly use it for my YouTube videos like this one here, because it's for me one of the easiest solutions to record my audio. In combination, I always use my Zoom H5 as a recording device, and that makes it possible that I just have to click on a couple of buttons to get started. And yes, making it as easy as possible for me to get things done is one of my main goals here. But yeah, that's my home office audio setup. Whether you're a content creator, musician or someone who just wants to enhance their audio experience, investing in quality audio equipment is really essential. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.